my name is Ariel William Orah. My character in Mutating Kinship, I think I'm the glue of this book. The one who make the different fragments that happens in the lab. Either that's the participants' ideas and everything, and then glued it into the structure of this project. I founded a collaborative platform called Soy Division Berlin, which I initiated back then in 2011 as my artistic project, but it slowly turns into collective project because we also collaborated with another fellow Indonesian collective. And I think through times, we not only collaborated with Indonesian diaspora, but also with other Asian diaspora artists, and later on also more to the global South diaspora artists who live in Berlin. So we make art together, also initiated a lot of events like workshops or exhibitions, film festival, for example, performances, and discourse program.
MKL.
Mutating Kinship Lab.
Mutating Kinship Lab.
MKL.
So Mutating Kinship Lab, this is the new initiative that first, like me and my colleague Ming Poon from Asian Performing Art Lab, initiated and founded last year in 2022 when we saw an open call from Fonds Darstellende Kunsten, who has a really unique open call about the reflections of performing arts in Germany during the Corona time. We thought that this is really a good project to not only reflect on our both collective practices, but we try to expand it also by inviting other Asian diaspora art initiative. And then this year we picked the theme anti-fragility and brave space because the specific open call for this year is to reflect about the audience shift that happens in the Germany free performing art scene during and after, also speculating of what happens after post-pandemic condition as well. I curated also the program together with other colleagues, sketching the program from the beginning, how does it looks like, how it's going to execute it, and also decided which are the people and the partners that we're going to invite to be involved on this project. This year, me and Marky from MSG and Friends do the main project management.
We call it audience.
Instead of the audience,
iterations of audiences.
I did an interview with the white audience because it's also the theme that we try to sort of talk about the white audience shift. The most highlighting part, or the aha moment, is when we talk about the labor of the audience, of the artist, of the curator, of everyone in one production. There is a huge knowledge level that we have when we want to present a certain art presentation. It's not really clear up until now as this kind of a knowledge labor needs to be done by whom, because this causes so many distractions, problems, racism, or exotism, for example. I don't think we comes up with solution, but at least now we can navigate different kind of fragments of the people who interact as stakeholders in this activity as well.
Brave space.
Are we talking about the conditional braveness or the absolute braveness?
For me, it's the question of sustainability. If we want to have a long-lasting impact in our work, I think brave space is really a necessity to be created. And it took a lot of effort, not only from the art producer itself, the artist itself, but the whole stakeholders, the synergy within the artist itself, the curator, the venue, the funding institutions, and the politicians, and also then the audience. And in order to doing that, I think there's a lot of things to be made. Yeah, we basically have a lot of homework. This kind of project, especially reflective research, is super important for the healthiness of the art scene, for the sustainability of the art scene, for the diversity of the art scene. So I think as an artist, we always involved in a really speed up production phase without even have the time to stop and to look back. Doing it together and collectively is also really empowering because there's a sense of solidarity. That's the most important thing that we need now in the near future, in the long future even, this kind of a radical solidarity between us.